There are a few general pieces of information that affect your entire website, such as the name and slogan of your site. These settings will come pre-configured on your website, but you may want to change them on occasion. We can edit this information by going to our Site Admin menu and clicking on the Edit Site Information link. The Name field contains the name of your organization, which will be displayed as the main title on your website. The email address is used by the website to send automated messages. This is most often used for Plus and Premium plan members to inform you when a user leaves a comment. The slogan will appear just below the name in the website header. Your footer message can contain any text that you need to have shown at the bottom of each page. This is typically used for legal or copyright text. Finally, your default front page field determines what your visitors will see when they first go to your URL. This field takes a relative URL for the page you wish to display. A relative URL is all the text which follows after your base URL, which is displayed here for you, just above this field. The string you want is typically made up of lowercase words separated by dashes. Currently, our website uses the About Us page as our front page. Let's change that now so that our Republican principles show up as our front page instead. To figure out what text we need to put in this field, we'll click on the page and copy the last part of the URL from our browser's address bar. In this case, our relative URL is Republican-Principles. To get back to our configuration page, we can either click on the Edit Site Information link again, or hit the browser's back button. Now, we'll paste our relative URL into the default front page text field. Note that there should not be a slash in front of the text string. And save configuration. Whenever you change your default front page setting, always double check that you entered a valid URL by going to the front page of your website and making sure your page is displaying as expected. Click on the name of your site or your logo in order to get to your front page. If you change your default front page, there's one more thing you may want to do. It isn't required, but users expect your front page to be the first one listed at the top of your menu. So let's move our principles up to the top of the list. In the Site Admin menu, click on the Reorder Pages link. As we saw in an earlier tutorial, we changed the order of a page by clicking on the arrows and dragging the page to the desired location. Once we save configuration, our Principles page will be at the top of the list. In a later tutorial, we will also see how to change the default logo to our own custom logo. That feature is only available to Plus and Premium plan customers.